Yo, what's going on, everybody? My name is Dylan. You guys are chilling with Dylan, and today I'm bringing you a brand new video. Did you guys hear that? What is that? Guys, look what just came in the mail. So I ended up ordering a new PC from NZXT through their BLD program. So I'm gonna unbox it for you guys. I'll show you the list of the specs, and we'll get right into it. Alright guys, so the first thing that you do receive once you start to unbox this is going to be your order detail. It's just going to list all of your specs, what you got in the system, and that's pretty much it. So let's continue. Alright, so you do have some nice foam padding, so PC is going to stay protected. You do also get another pretty thick pad there at the bottom, so they do try to make sure that this thing's going to get to you as safe as possible. Alright guys, so now for the PC, I did go with the NZXT H510 case. It's their compact mid-tower. Didn't really want to get the H700 or the H710. I don't think I would have enough space for it on the desk, so that's why I did choose this one. So, the first thing that you're going to be greeted with is your, from Seasonic, it's going to be, at least the power supply that I got. It's going to come with some of your extra connections, which is good. So in case anything were to ever go wrong with some of these connections, you do have some extra adapters in there. So that's always a bonus, right? All right, here we go. Moment of truth. Anything can fall out? I think we're good. All right, guys, look at this. There's the front panel right here in all of its glory. Oh man, this thing looks amazing. All right, so what do we got inside right here? So we got our manual right here. We got some extra cables. I believe that this is an audio splitter. So we do have one of those. We got our power cable. Motherboard, manual, probably graphics card, and everything, all that good stuff's going to be in here. Alrighty guys, so as you guys look at this, I am going to list off the specs right now. So what I decided to go with is, obviously the case I already mentioned is the NZXT H510. I got it in the matte white. The cooler I decided to go with is the NZXT Kraken X62. It's a liquid cooled AIO. The motherboard is the MSI MPG Z390 Gaming Pro Carbon AC. My graphics card is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2070 Super. It is from EVGA, and it's the black edition. And for the CPU, I decided to get this monster. It's going to be the Intel Core i9 9900K. The reason why, so I'll start getting into it a little bit now, is the reason why I decided to spec it out with the 2070 and an i9 9900K is because I am going to be, it's mainly for content creation, but I wanted to make sure that I had an editing beast, and this thing should shred through any 4K timeline that I put it through. The power supply is going to be the Seasonic Focus Plus 850 watt gold. So for the RAM, I decided to go with the G.Skill Trident Z RGB 32 gigabytes at 3200 megahertz. For my SSDs, I decided to go with the Samsung 970 EVO Plus. It's going to be a 200, or no, this one is going to be the 500 gigabyte. I didn't want to spec it out too crazy with storage at the moment. I can always upgrade that down the line if I ever need to get extra. I also got another SSD, so that one's an M.2 NVMe. The other SSD is the Samsung 860 EVO 250 gigabytes. And then for my cables, I decided to go with the Cable Mod extension kit and the black and white edition, which I think looks amazing in here. It looks absolutely killer. And then obviously Microsoft Windows 10 Home. So this spec is absolutely insane. I'm really excited to start editing and grinding out some videos for you guys. And yeah, let's peel off all this plastic and let's boot it up. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed that unboxing video. If you do want to see a review of this new PC, then I will be more than happy to do so for you guys. Also, let me know down in the comment section what you guys think of the PC, the specs, everything like that. If you guys did enjoy, make sure you smash that like button. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe right there. Thanks guys, I'm out. Peace.